Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Now, do you want to add your TikTok leads into your CRM application? Then you're on the correct video. I'm an owner of a business and I promote my business using TikTok ads. I want that as soon as a new lead is generated through my ad campaign, that lead should be created as a contact in my HubSpot CRM application. But adding the data from TikTok to HubSpot manually is a very time consuming part for me. So instead of doing this manually, I have created this setup where automatically the details of my leads is created as a contact in my CRM application. Now, if you want to learn how you can create this setup for your business as well, so for that you have to walk through the entire video till the end and you will have the setup for your business as well. So let's dive into the creation of this setup. So for creating this setup, I will be using this amazing automation tool that I've been using for years now, created 1,000+ automations very easily without need of any technical coding and programming skills using the software Pabbly Connect. So I have used Pabbly Connect in this case. Now, if you're a new user, you're logging in for the first time inside Pabbly Connect, open a new tab and search for www.pabbly.com/connect. You will come to this landing page. Now for the logging in, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks every single month. Using the task, you can create the setup instantly that I'm teaching you in this video and test out from your end and connect your TikTok to your CRM application. And if you like using Pabbly Connect, you want to create such amazing automations, get more access of Pabbly Connect's features and everything, you can purchase our yearly or one-time plans. And if you're thinking to do so, use the code on the left side of my screen to get instant and amazing discounts on the purchase. Now over here, I'm already a user, so I've signed in and I have already created the template for this workflow. If you want this template that I'm using in this video, check out the workflow link in the description section below. It's free to use. Now my trigger is TikTok lead generation, new lead. Click on this connect option to create the connection. Go to this add new connection section and click on this connect with TikTok lead generation button. As soon as you will do that, you will see right over here it is going to ask for the permission, for which click on this confirm button, as this is a safe process and our data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. After this connection has been created, we have to select the advertisement ID and the form ID. Now this is my entire TikTok account right over here and I have selected my advertisement ID as well as the form ID accordingly, with the help of which I'm collecting my leads data. The lead does the form submission. I want the response to be captured in the trigger, so you have to select those details right here. Now in order to create this entire setup, what I will do is I will generate a test lead, and in the important note it says if you do not have a real lead coming in real time, you can generate the test lead yourself. To generate the test lead, capture the trigger response in TikTok lead generation app right here, and you will go to the next step of create test lead action in the next action node. So if I'm going to click on the save and send test request button, you will see it is going to say waiting for webhook response. So if I'm going to go back now to generate a test lead, add an action step where for the action application select over here as TikTok. We are setting this up because I want to create this setup currently, but in real time the real leads data will be captured and the workflow is going to run accordingly. Okay, but right now we have to generate the test lead. For the event, I'm going to create a new test lead. From here, click on this connect option. I will select the existing connection that I've created in front of you. Select the advertisement ID and the lead form ID and generate the test lead from here. As soon as you will do that, if the message right here comes as okay, that means the test lead has been generated. If I'll go back, you will see the response of the test lead is going to be captured in the trigger. If we'll tally the response, you will see right over here, this is the phone number of the lead, the name is Jane Doe, and this is the test email address. So as now the response has been captured in the trigger successfully, TikTok lead generation is connected to Pabbly Connect. In the similar manner, you will capture the response of the real leads data. Okay, now we have to delete the step after generating the test lead from here. Now let's add this lead in our HubSpot CRM application. I'm going to click on this connect option and go towards this add new connection section. Click on this connect with HubSpot CRM button and you will come to this window right here, where first select the account and then automatically the connection between Pabbly Connect and HubSpot CRM is going to be created. This is a very safe process, so you can easily connect both of these applications. Now it is asking for all these details. Now first, if I'll scroll down, the most important thing is the email address of this contact. Now while generating your TikTok lead, if these are the details also you're collecting with the help of your TikTok lead generation advertisement campaign, you can enter the data right here according to your requirement. But I want to enter the email address instead of all the other fields. Now for the data of this field, I will map the data. Mapping is the process where you can enter the data from the previous step. Add a slash previous step is going to appear and search for the email address. Now this is the email address of my lead that I want to create as a contact. So I'm going to select the data of the email address from my previous response, which makes this data mapped in dynamic. Now whenever a new response will be captured in the previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. Next, it is asking for the first name, but there is a slight problem. We have not received the first name and the last name separated in this step right here. So now we are going to separate the first name and the last name. Scroll down till the end and just save the step from here so that the steps won't be deleted. Go back, add an action step where for the action application, select over here as text formatter by Pabbly and the event as split text, as I want to split the first name and the last name. Text to split is going to be the name of my lead right here. Separator is going to be the space between first name and the last name, and as I want both the value, over here the segment index is going to be all. Click on this save and send test request button. I have received the first name and the last name separately. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the data of that first name and the last name in this HubSpot CRM step. So first name is asked here. I will map the data of the first name of my lead. If I'll further scroll down, right over here, just asking for the details. You can enter the details according to your requirement. This is an active lead right here. So I'm going to enter the details accordingly. Lead status is going to be new. Okay, I'll further scroll down. I'm going to enter the time zone as Asia, Kolkata right here. I will map the data of the last name that I have received in this split text step. For the phone number, I will map the data of the phone number that I have received in this step right here. Here also, I will map the data of the same phone number that I've received. And then it is asking for all the other details which I do not want, so I'll skip the part and click on this save and send test request button. As soon as now I've done that, you will see I've received this ID. That's a positive response in the contacts page. If I'll refresh this page from here, you will see in front of you a new contact in the name of Jane Doe is going to be added. If you cannot see it right now, refresh it again, you will see the contact. Okay, I've refreshed the page again. You can see a new contact has been successfully added right here. If you'll tally the response, it's Jane Doe. This was the same test email address, this test phone number right over here. The status is lead and that's new. Okay, so as now the record of the lead is added in my CRM application, this means now TikTok is connected to my CRM application. Now whenever a new lead through my TikTok lead generation ad campaign is going to be generated, you will see that lead is synced inside your CRM application and your team can further follow the lead management steps. So this is how you create this entire setup, guys. If you have any questions or doubts related to this entire connection, comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. With that, if you want to purchase the yearly or one-time plans, the code is in the description section, ANGYT. It's on the left side of my screen as well, using which you will get instant and amazing discounts on the purchase. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.